When installing a new door, most homeowners focus on style and curb appeal, but security should be just as important. Your doors are one of the main entry points to your home, making them a critical part of your overall safety. For homeowners in Dallas, choosing the right security features during door installation can provide peace of mind while also enhancing comfort and value. One of the first security features to consider is the material of the door itself. Not all doors offer the same level of protection. Solid wood, steel, and fiberglass doors are among the most secure options available. Steel doors, in particular, are known for their strength and resistance to forced entry, while fiberglass offers durability without warping or cracking. Choosing a strong, high-quality material is the foundation of a secure entryway. Equally important is the door frame. Even the strongest door can be compromised if the frame is weak. Reinforced door frames add an extra layer of protection by preventing forced entry attempts. During installation, professionals can ensure the frame is properly anchored and built to withstand pressure, making your entire entry system more secure. Locks are another essential component of door security. A standard lock may not be enough to protect your home effectively. Deadbolt locks are a must-have, as they provide a stronger level of resistance compared to basic locking mechanisms. For added protection, consider a double-cylinder deadbolt or a smart lock system. Smart locks allow you to control access remotely, monitor activity, and eliminate the need for physical keys. Strike plates and hinges are often overlooked but play a major role in door security. A heavy-duty strike plate, secured with long screws, helps reinforce the area where the lock engages with the frame. This makes it much harder for intruders to kick in the door. Similarly, high-quality hinges, especially those with non-removable pins, add strength and prevent tampering from the outside. Another important feature to consider is door reinforcement hardware. Reinforcement kits can strengthen the door, frame, and lock area, providing additional resistance against forced entry. These upgrades are especially valuable in high-traffic areas or for homeowners who want an extra layer of protection. Glass elements in doors should also be carefully evaluated. While decorative glass panels can enhance the look of your entryway, they can also pose a security risk if not properly designed. If your door includes glass, opt for impact-resistant or tempered glass. These materials are much harder to break and help maintain the integrity of your door. Additionally, placing locks away from glass panels prevents easy access from the outside. Modern technology offers even more ways to improve door security. Smart doorbells and security cameras can be integrated with your entry door to monitor activity in real time. These systems allow you to see who is at your door, even when you're not home, and can deter potential intruders. Motion sensors and alarm systems can also be connected to your entryway for added protection. Weather sealing and proper installation may not seem directly related to security, but they play an important role. A well-installed door fits tightly within the frame, leaving no gaps that could be exploited. Proper sealing also ensures the door closes securely every time, maintaining both safety and energy efficiency. Lighting is another factor that enhances security. Installing exterior lighting around your entryway makes it easier to see who is approaching your home and discourages unwanted visitors. Well-lit entrances create a safer environment and complement the security features of your door. Finally, professional installation is key to ensuring all these features work together effectively. Even the best security components won't perform properly if they are not installed correctly. Experienced installers ensure that every part of your door system, from the frame to the locks, is properly aligned and secured. In the end, choosing the right security features during door installation in Dallas is about protecting your home and your family. By focusing on strong materials, advanced locking systems, reinforced hardware, and proper installation, you can create a secure entryway that offers both safety and peace of mind.